It's your girl Jay, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are most and definitely welcome. Also, if you are returning back to this channel, thank you so much for sticking with this baby girl because she doesn't take it for granted. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you, or I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a super flawless oily foundation routine. And it is even full coverage, like all those spots, everything gonna be covered. No scars. Try to cover the scars as minimal as possible, so I'm just going to be showing you that. Now I did my eyebrows off camera. Also I prepped my skin off camera as well. So if you want to know how I prepped my skin, my oily skin, in preparation to apply my foundation, then I'll leave a link in the description box so that you can definitely check it out, because you actually need to before you actually watch this video. Also, if you have not seen my video about my skincare routine, I'll leave the link in the description box, and for the eyebrows, simple eyebrows as well, and how to groom your eyebrows. So I'll leave all of those links in the description box. You should check them out before you actually watch this video. Anyways, let's just get started. My foundation routine for my oily skin, I usually apply this is TM Essential Hydrating Glow Mist. I apply this to achieve like an underglow under my foundation, but I'm not feeling like it today, so I'm not going to be applying this. Okay, so I have like different foundations that give me full coverage. I'm just going to be showing you some of them. The first one, this is like the one I use more often because it's superb, is Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. And I got it in Mucha and Espresso. Yeah, I got it in Espresso, and I got this in Espresso because I have this Vessi Goldsmith foundation too, and this is like a really light, okay, shade is in VG07. It's like, if you're talking full coverage, this is it. Okay, so I use this, and sometimes when I feel up to it, I use my MAC NW45. This also gives full coverage as well. But my Miracle foundation, I think I'm out of it. That's another good foundation for oily skin, in my own opinion. There are foundations that I've tried and they really last long with this kind of screen prepping. Once you do the screen prepping before using all of these foundations, it will be okay. Anyways, but for today's video, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Super Stay in Mucha. Yeah, but before I do that, I like to color correct my face. I have some dark spots, like I'm having acne self. I don't know, I'm breaking out, so my skin is kind of, and I have large pores, so I'm just going to be color correcting. And I like to use my index finger to like just tap it into wherever it is that I'm applying it, so that, I don't know, I just prefer it. Let's color correct. So I'm just going to apply like little bits of everything. I have like plenty dark spots, but it's not possible to cover everything. Just cover like the major ones. Just cover like the major ones. Okay. See there? I don't know exactly what this is, if this is a birthmark or something, but So I'm going to be going with my finger like I said, and I'm just going to be tapping in. I'm just going to go over all the places that I color corrected so that it just like absorbs into my skin. The setting powders that I use most is my Mary Kay translucent powder, but I recently got this Espon loose face powder. I recently got it, so I think I just want to try it out instead of using the usual. Okay, so let's just do this. It minimizes products that you take inside. The next thing that I want to do is to apply my foundation proper. So now I learned a new trick, because whenever there are times that I apply foundation and I apply foundation here, and then I find it difficult to like blend. So the new trick is, don't apply foundation here. Whatever it is that you use for the rest, the other part of your face, that's what you should use at the other hand. So my damn beauty blender as always, and I'm just going to be dabbing. See this area looking right now, oh my god, this is super duper awesome. So don't forget to blend downwards towards your neck area, Another thing that I forgot to say is, you don't want to drag your products. Dab them. Okay, I think we've we've blended just about. You see that if I had applied foundation here, I would have found it difficult to blend, because it would be having that ash line, and we don't want that. See, with this one you can still even lay your edges if you're going to take your hair out like that. So here it is, here it is. So here it is. So this is just how I do my foundation. Now you might want to go in with some little powder, so I'm going to be using the puff that came with my Espon translucent powder that I got here. So I'm just going to like put it in and dust up the excess, and then go anyways guys, we've come to the end of my foundation routine. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, oh yeah, subscribe, because just subscribe, okay? And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Kisses.